Let me show you how to create online store in WhatsApp. Open your browser. Type take.app on address bar. Then search. Click the button which says Start for free to start a process. Select Continue with Google to create account with an existing Google account. Choose your account you want to register with. Click Continue button to proceed. Choose Business, then Continue. Skip if you want to start completely free. Profile is ready. Click here to add profile picture. Remember to add phone number. Now create store. In this page is where you can add sample product to get started. Type a name of a product. Enter a price of a product. Add image. Then continue. Turn on and add delivery method. Enter the price of delivery or leave blank if it's free. Then continue. Choose payment method of your choice. Enter payment phone number. Here the proceeds will depend on payment method that you have selected. Enter payee name which you have registered with the phone number. This is the transaction service fee. Click to continue. Scan QR code to test your store. Your store is ready. Click here to go to the next step. This is the list of paid plan features. Just skip for now. Select Home to view our store. This is the product that we created. To add new product, click the 3 lines. Select Products. Click Add Product button. Enter the name, type, category, description, upload the image of the product, and specify the price. Then save. Product created. Now let's view and share the link of our store. Copy a link. Or share a link via WhatsApp. Now let's open the link we have shared. Now, customers, they can order product and pay for them online. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.